Hello everyone, I'm coming to you with another video to, tell you about the Afro hair. So, a lot of people think that our Afro hair, or people who grow Afro hair all around the world, they think that it's just hair that is just there and there's there's no benefits, or it's just hair, something that you just play with. But because humans, or people of man, are, forest people and people who are usually in hot, sunny areas, the hair is supposed to be, or the Afro hair, or humans' hair in general, was supposed to be designed by our Creator to protect us from the sun, as far as our scalp. So, have you ever went outside one day and sorry guys, hold a second. Helicopter. But have you ever went outside one day and you wondered, like, wow, it's pretty hot, and you put a hat on? Well, when you have Afro hair, you can't put a hat on. If you do, it's gonna have to be super big, or so. But that's why the hair, when it's in its big form, it protects your scalp from the rays, or the heat rays, overheating your scalp. And also it can help the UV rays from penetrating on your scalp, causing skin cancer. But the main reason is supposed to help your head not overheat. So now, as you see me, right, my hair, it only grows thick, the top side and a little bit of the back, right? But you have some other people, I'm not gonna say black people, because you got white people, you got some Asian people, you got a lot of people from different countries that can grow big Afro, or no matter if it's curly or kinky. So when you have that big Afro where it's like this on every part of your head, where it's dense, man, you can literally go to the beach, go in a bright, area, and it literally protects from those rays penetrating and cause you to get cancer. And it helps you not help your scalp not overheat so much, because people when they overheat, they go under a tree or they put a hat on. But the Afro, which every human being on this planet is supposed to have, but different human beings went through genetic mutations, right? It's supposed to have a big Afro all over their head so they can be in the sun and not overheat so fast. So, and I'm not saying that that all you need is an Afro, and you're just gonna not burn up. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying it's certain things that you don't necessarily have to do if you have that that phenotype. So it's the same thing with skin color. Like people put on sunscreen, but when they put on the sunscreen, a lot of the ingredients, they contain benzenate, titanium dioxide. A lot of those chemicals in a microscope are actually dark. So why would you need to put on brown or dark or copper when you already have, if you have melanin, no matter if you're white, black? Because there's some Caucasians that have tan skin, but humans were designed to have brown skin and tan. So but yeah, I'm just making this video because there's a lot of you guys that have really thick Afro, right? And you thinking that it's just there. No, humans were designed to have thick throws, big thick throws, to survive the heat and not overheat so fast. And it also helps you warm up in the winter as well, because people put on hats in the winter too. So yeah, I just want to make this video. Anybody, no matter if you're black, white, if you can grow Afro thick, curly, or Afro hair, be proud of the Afro. It's needed. Adam and Eve had it. Jacob had it. Esau, Black Esau had it. You know, be proud. Just grow it out. Me, mine only grow thick at the top and a little bit of the back, but I'm still proud of what I got. I'm still proud of what I got. You know, everybody should be proud of what they got, man. Everybody should be proud, okay? So, but if you have Afro hair, grow it out, thicken out, put it in cornrows, and then let it out, you know, to make it bigger. So, you know, all praise to the Most High, higher, higher, and the righteous please follow the Most High. And I'm out.